Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to be showing you guys the makeup I am decluttering. This is a bunch of stuff I'm actually going to be giving this away. And I also made up a little bag of makeup goodies that I'm going to be giving to somebody who you know, just getting into makeup and all that I'm going to set up and give to them. So I will show that as well. But I'm going to be giving these, I'm going to let my friends pick what they want first. And then the girl who's new into makeup, pick out what she wants. And then after that, actually they'll probably all take them all. But then if not, then I will donate them, of course. Especially because a few of them are new. So, but without further ado, let's get into it. Be giving these away to a friend. It's the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. I cannot use this because of I have a peanut allergy, as well as the pharmacy mask. I'm gonna go through this really quick, by the way. Sorry guys. The Pixie Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner. I'm gonna be giving this away as well. This is a Steve Laurent single eyeshadow in green apple. It's just really, really bright, but I know my one friend absolutely loves bright shades, so I'm going to pass this on to her because I didn't touch it or anything yet, so figured I would share. Next is this Mini Bare Minerals. It's in the shade Warmth, but it is way too dark for me, and I did not open it or nothing, so I would like to share this with my friend because I think she'll get a lot of use out of it. Next is this Baked Highlighter. It's by the DLS, and it's in Bellini. It just pulls a little too pink on me because I'm so fair. So again, this is going to a friend. Decluttering some palettes. Okay, so first things first, nothing against these palettes. There is nothing wrong with them. It's just, you know, I kind of have a lot, and I know people who want some of these or who need makeup, so I'm going to share. First is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2 edition. And it's just a really pretty basic palette. I actually really like this. I was using this for a decent bit at one point. You can get really pretty natural looks. But I know somebody who really wants this, and I figured rather than just let mine sit there and go to waste, I'm going to share it. Next is the Winky Lux Kitten Palette. This was a BoxyCharm palette, and really cute color selection. Definitely know a friend who would love these, and I think she'd get some use out of it. I'm just going to show the cute little goodie bag. I'm just kind of going to set up that I think somebody will like. I'm going to use one of my little Ipsy bags here. And this is a mascara from BoxyCharm. I'm going to put that in. A blush from BoxyCharm. None of this I didn't use. A sleek blush in rose gold. I just don't want to touch it or anything. But it's super pretty. It'd be perfect for her skin tone. A little luscious lip stain. And she likes fun, bright colors like that. A Bare Pro. It's in the shade Dawn 2. It's just a mini. It's just like a little powder. It's a little bit dark for me, so I want to pass it along to her. And then I'm giving her two palettes. The Crown palette, which I didn't mess with or anything. I'm going to give her that, as well as the BoxyCharm and Pure palette. It has a mirror and stuff, but then it's got some more fun kind of like bold colors, and I figured that'd be a really cute little thing to kind of get going with and stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be getting rid of. I'm soon going to be also doing a declutter video, but I want to show you guys stuff I did go through. But I'm going to be doing a video where I kind of go through my collection and kind of show like makeup that's on the fence, where if I don't use it soon or ever feel the need to grab for it, then I'm going to be decluttering it and passing it along to somebody else. But I'm going to be filming that soon, as well as the Project Pan update. Actually, I might film the Project Pan update today. I'm not sure. Maybe. Alright, well, thank you guys so much for watching, and please be sure to subscribe. If you guys like declutter videos, give me a thumbs up. And all this will get some good use, and they will go to a new home where they will be loved and used. But yes, thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. Bye.